Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Salesforce Service Cloud. This powerful platform helps businesses deliver exceptional customer service. We'll cover its core functionalities, showing how it streamlines support processes and improves agent efficiency. Get ready to discover how Service Cloud can transform your customer interactions and boost overall satisfaction for your clients. Let's dive into some key features. Case management is fundamental, allowing agents to track and resolve customer issues efficiently. The integrated knowledge base empowers customers to find answers themselves, reducing agent workload. Additionally, Live Agent enables real-time chat support, ensuring customers receive immediate assistance when they need it most. Service Cloud is designed to boost agent productivity. The Service Console provides a single, comprehensive view of customer interactions, making agents more efficient. Macros automate common, repetitive tasks, freeing up agents to focus on complex issues. Omnichannel ensures that customer inquiries are routed to the most appropriate agent, optimizing response times and expertise. To maximize your success with Service Cloud, customize it to align with your unique business needs. Thoroughly train your service team to ensure they can leverage all its powerful features effectively. Continuously monitor key performance indicators, like resolution times and customer satisfaction scores, to identify areas for improvement and ensure ongoing success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.